Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an exciting product that's perfect for beginner chefs looking to up their culinary game. We'll be discussing the Astercook knife set with built-in sharpener block. Stay tuned to find out why this is the best knife set for novice cooks. Alright, let's dive right into it. The Astercook knife set is gaining popularity for good reasons. This 15-piece knife set is designed to make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. It's made from high-carbon stainless steel, which means it's not only durable but also rust-resistant. As you can see, the set comes with a variety of knives, including a chef knife, slicing knife, santoku knife, serrated bread knife, utility knife, paring knife, and even 6 serrated steak knives. Plus, it includes a pair of kitchen shears. It's an all-in-one value knife set. Now, what sets this knife set apart is the built-in sharpener block. Each knife has been pre-sharpened for optimum sharpness, and you can easily maintain that sharpness with a built-in sharpener. This feature is a game-changer for beginners who may not be confident in their sharpening skills. Let me show you how it works. Simply slide the knife through the sharpening slot a few times, and it hones the blade to perfection. It's a fantastic addition for anyone who wants their knives to stay sharp without much effort. Another highlight of this set is the ergonomic design of the knife handles. They're comfortable to hold and make slicing and dicing a breeze. Plus, the knives are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Just pop them in the dishwasher, and you're good to go. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced chef, convenience and ease of maintenance are always a plus in the kitchen. Now, let's take a look at what customers have to say about the Astercook knife set. With over 4,787 ratings and an average rating of 4.6 stars, it's clear that customers are loving this product. Many customers praise the sharpness of these knives, making cutting through tough ingredients a breeze. They also appreciate the stylish design and the value this set provides. In conclusion, if you're a beginner chef or just someone looking for a versatile, high-quality knife set that's easy to maintain, the Astercook knife set with built-in sharpener block is a fantastic choice. It's a comprehensive set with a self-sharpening feature that will help you elevate your cooking skills. Remember, a good set of knives is essential in any kitchen, and this one combines affordability, convenience, and quality. So, don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your cooking game. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more product reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this knife set, please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!